Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headache stack. Restlessness to hell and back.
The IQOO 13 is set to launch globally soon. It comes with a 144Hz fast refresh rate 2K display, a powerful processor with a separate display chip, a slim design, a large battery, and more. Today, I'll be sharing an in-depth review of the IQOO 13. Hey guys, it's Maiky from techmaiky. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications by hitting the bell icon for more awesome tech videos. I've already uploaded the unboxing and first impressions video for the IQOO 13. The link is in the description, so be sure to check it out. Now, talking about the design of the IQOO 13, it's similar to its predecessor, but with a few changes. The first change is in the camera module, which now has a glass-covered area with textured edges. Plus, the edges of the module feature RGB light effects, so you'll see lights on the edges, like when the phone is charging. You can customize the RGB light on the camera module to show different colors. For example, if you set it to purple, the light will blink in purple. During gaming, like when playing Genshin Impact, you can turn on this light effect for an extra touch, and it will show RGB lighting while you play. However, you won't see the light yourself while gaming, but people around you will. If you don't like the RGB light, you can also turn it off anytime. The phone is available in green, though the company has given it a unique name, Isle of Man. The color has a nice look and feel. The phone has flat sides, a glass back, and a metal frame. The back has a strong reflective effect, while the frame has a matte texture and slightly curved edges, making it comfortable to hold for long periods. There are 4 color options available: green, silver, white, and black. So friends, what do you think of the IQOO 13's design? Let me know in the comments. Now, let's talk about the display. This time, the phone features a 144Hz BOE screen with Q10 material and a 2K resolution. The bezels are slim with just a slightly larger chin, and the selfie camera is tiny, giving a higher screen-to-body ratio. Plus, the screen includes anti-reflective technology. Compared to other phones, the IQOO 13's screen stands out. It feels nice and has great viewing angles. For security, it includes an ultrasonic fingerprint sensor, which unlocks the phone quickly. In terms of performance, the IQOO 13 has a Snapdragon 8 Elite flagship processor. The first phone running on the Snapdragon 8 Elite is the Realme GT 7 Pro, launching globally this month. I've already uploaded the unboxing and review video for the Realme GT 7 Pro. You can find the link in the description below and in the card above, so be sure to check it out. Talking about the Snapdragon 8 Elite, this time it uses Snapdragon's self-developed architecture, making it a powerful processor with a max clock speed of 4.32 GHz. The Snapdragon 8 Elite is 40% more powerful than the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. The IQOO 13 also has UFS 4.0 storage and LPDDR5X Ultra RAM. While LPDDR5X RAM runs at 8.5 GB, LPDDR5 Ultra runs at 10 GB, giving an 11% improvement in speed. This faster RAM allows on-device AI applications to run smoothly, and the LPDDR5X Ultra chip is the smallest RAM chip to date. Here, you can see the phone's benchmark scores. It achieves almost 3 million points on the Antutu test, 636 points on the 3D Mark stress test, and scores 3,205 in single-core and 10,028 in multi-core on Geekbench 6. In a test with the heavy game Genshin Impact on the Sumeru City map, running at high settings with 60 FPS for 30 minutes, the phone delivered an average frame rate of 61.4 FPS, with no frame drops in the 30-minute performance graph. The IQOO 13 also has additional features for gaming. It uses the Q2 independent display chip, which is also found in the Vivo X200 series. I've already uploaded the unboxing and detailed review video for the Vivo X200 series. Check the link in the description below. This independent display chip ensures there is no image delay during gaming, and it also reduces the power consumption of the phone's processor. You can play games like PUBG Mobile and Genshin Impact at 144 FPS and 2K resolution. The gaming experience is taken to the next level with the IQOO 13. The phone's performance is amazing. It comes with a huge 6150 mAh battery using Blue Ocean's dual-cell technology. Despite such a large battery, the phone is just 7.99mm thick, thanks to the new generation of battery design. In terms of battery endurance, after 30 minutes of Genshin Impact, 30 minutes of King of Glory, and 60 minutes of video playback, the battery still has 87% remaining. The IQOO 13 also supports 120-watt fast charging. It has a great feature where, during gaming, you can turn on the direct drive charging mode. This means the power will go directly to the phone instead of passing through the battery, which helps prevent the phone from heating up while charging. Now, let's talk about the camera. The phone has a rear triple camera setup, with the main camera using a 50-megapixel Sony IMX921 sensor. The sensor size is 1.56 inches, and it has an f1.88 aperture. The IQOO 13 has a secondary 50-megapixel telephoto camera and a third 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera. You can see sample photos here. The camera performance is above average, but nothing extraordinary. The IQOO 12 had a better camera with a periscope lens.
You just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need, what you need.
One new feature is the 35mm human eye photography mode, which lets you capture better photos. But even in this mode, the photos are just okay. Overall, the IQOO 13's main camera takes good photos, but the telephoto camera gives average results. As for the price, the base variant starts at 399 Chinese yuan in China, which is around £431 in the UK and $560 in the USA. To conclude, the IQOO 13 is suitable for users who want high-end gaming, an attractive design with RGB lights, and a big battery. If these are your priorities, you should consider the IQOO 13. So, friends, what do you think about the IQOO 13? Which feature do you like the most? And at what price should it launch? So, what do you guys think about it? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Also, give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Well, that's all for today. Thanks for watching, have a great day, keep smiling, and I'll see you in the next one.